Are you originally from Oklahoma?
No, I born in Pakistan and then I grew up there.
How long have you been in the States?
More than 10 years.
Yeah. Do you still think of your home country?
Yeah.
Your family there?
Yeah.
You know, we're on social media,
Yes.
and I get several pieces of correspondence from Pakistan. You know, we get many comments and some wonderful letters from
Yeah.
people in
A
Pakistan.
lot of people loves you.
Everyone over there, when they come to know that I live in Providence, oh, do you know Caprio?
We want to meet him.
Everyone is like, when my friends come over to see me, they were like, can you take me over there? I said, oh, unless you have a ticket.
Well, we hear so many good things about Pakistan, you know.
A lot of good things, yeah.
So you must miss it. What do you miss most about being home?
Food.